Yeah,
Alright,
because
now we're back at this nigga right here. Let's just look at him right
Leave
quick.
him alone. You can be in that position at
Is
any
in
time.
fetal
I know I've been
position.
there.
His head is between his thighs.
Close.
Let's get a close up real quick. This is a gnarly one right here, mate. Let's
So
look at
I've
this,
been in
mate.
that position. I know how
Alrighty,
that feels,
alrighty,
man.
mate. Alrighty, mate. He's. Alright, he's pretty fucked up. But he a boss. He got that shit. This nigga been drinking for a minute. I got the hiccups for some reason. I feel like I'm gonna die tonight. If I don't die tonight, or him, let me just say on camera,
This is the first time that shit ever happened to you, right?
I love you all.
Big stop.
If I die of hiccups, I love you.
But that.
Listen, she's here right now. Regardless, I will die of hiccups because this woman has given me the fucking curse of hiccups. I don't know why, but the fuck, I'm gonna die of hiccups. I love you all.
You're still alive.
My fans,
I gotta get some King Pine.
my fans, I love Conan
Whatever.
to the death. Conan
Jimmy
O'Brien,
Kimmel.
Conan O'Brien. I hope I make enough like fucking. The other black niggas who died, I'm Puerto Rican. I know I won't make such a fucking impact because I'm spick. Because I'm spick, I won't make such an impact. But fuck, you're the shit. You're so funny, yeah. Like I fuck with you. All right, Conan.